Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel, welcome to Lab Edition. So how to speed up your Windows and how to speed up your Windows 10 and Windows 11. So eventually at some point Windows goes slow. So how to speed up your system. So I'm using right now Windows 10 Manager. It is a very cool and very useful tool. So let me show you how to get it. You can just open Google Chrome. So here you can just search Windows 10 Manager. So on the top of the list you will find Yamicsoft Windows 10 Manager. So this is the tool from Yamicsoft. It is very trusted and I'm using this tool for many years. I have done so many of my clients and customers laptops and Windows 10 and Windows 7, even Windows 8 and Windows 8.1. So this tool works in Windows 11 also. So select the download option here. This is Windows Manager. Here at the bottom of the page you will find Windows Manager zip file, Manager .exe and the portable version. So normally I use Windows Manager .exe. I already downloaded it. It's probably 36 to 40 MB. And after installing this tool you will find two icons on your desktop. So that's how they look, Windows 10 Manager and One Click Cleaner. Let me quickly show you how it looks. So if you open One Click Cleaner, it immediately starts the 15 seconds counter. So we're just gonna pause it. I already did this cleaner, so it's gonna take probably 5 to 10 minutes, but it will clean up your system, including your privacy files and your junk files, but it will never delete any of your personal file, your documents, or any of your information from your computer. So this is very cool. You must try. This tool will definitely make your computer, make your Windows very fast. Let me show you how the main tool look like. So this is Windows 10 Manager. I'm using Windows 10 right now. So here we have these options: cleaner, optimization, optimizer, cleaner, and customization. So here we have repair center. All these repairs options you can try one by one. It is very cool, and normally I try the first page and the second page also. So it will definitely optimize your speed, and Windows 10 will work very fast. So this is one of the tools that you must try to speed up the Windows. And thank you for watching tutorial videos. Please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned.